So here today we are going to start a new topic, that is ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zones. Basically, one by one we'll read about location and the role of ITCZ. So first of all, let's talk about the location where ITCZ basically forms. So as it is written tropical, so it is found near the equator region. In tropical belt, we can easily found the ITCZ. So if we have to give a short definition for ITCZ, we can easily say that ITCZ is a zone which is basically formed near the equator, which converts trade wind. So here we have get to know about a new term, that is trade wind. Let me explain that how trade wind get changes or converged by ITCZ. So here we have another figure. It's Earth here, North Pole, South Pole. In center we have Sun. Here South Pole, North Pole. So during the summer solstice, Earth is tilted on North Pole towards the Sun. At that time, Sun rays directly falls on Earth. Because of that, in the northern hemisphere we have low pressure, and in southern hemisphere we have high pressure. Because as you can see that South Pole is quite far from the Sun, so the rays are not able to directly reach over that region. It get slanting, either it not able to reach. Because of that, we have high pressure in southern hemisphere or South Pole, and we have low pressure in northern hemisphere or North Pole. And as you know that always the wind moves from high pressure to low pressure. Let me explain with an example that how the direction of the wind changes in northern hemisphere or in southern hemisphere. Basically, suppose that here is the Earth, and as we all know that the Earth moves from west to east. Earth moves from west to east. That's why here whenever we pour a water, it will go in that direction, and from South Pole if we pour the water, it will go in that direction. And here we have to remember one more thing, that is Coriolis force. So because of the Coriolis force, the trade wind direction get continuously changed, and because of the moment of the Earth, its direction is here. When it emerges from North Pole, its direction will be from northeast. When it get emerged from South Pole, its direction will be in northwest direction. So here, when Earth is tilted on North Pole, at that time we have the low pressure in northern hemisphere and high pressure in southern hemisphere. So the direction of trade wind will be like here. In South Pole, it will be in the direction of northwest. But when it meets in the tropical zone, it means in the ITCZ location, its direction get changes, and from that reason it moves in northeast side and enters in India from southwest portion. So why it get changed, how it get changed. So as you all know that near the equator region, it is the hottest zone. So here all these wind get moves, and the hot winds or the warm winds get rise up. Because of the high temperature in the equator region, the winds get rising, and after that the direction of wind get depleted or changes in the ITCZ belt. How it had affected the Indian monsoon? Basically, as you can see that it has changes the direction of trade wind. Because of that, the trade wind moves or enters in India from the southwest side, and through that it carries moisture from Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and India's major states receive rainfall at that time.